I think the biggest thing for a lot of people is the cost. They see it as sort of an admin task. They have to do this for Companies House, for HMRC. They don't see it as an investment into their business and a tool to use as another opportunity to help them grow their business, move their business into different directions. They just see it as I need to do this task, therefore I don't want to pay anybody else to do it. I'll just do it myself.
The fact is, a bit like in other industries with project managers, a good accountant should save their fees. And sometimes saving those fees might be the fact it's freeing your time up to go and do what you're good at, charging £100, £200, £300 an hour while you're paying your accountant X amount for the bookkeeping. That is an absolute benefit. Edith, why aren't people using accountants?
I think there's an element of they feel there's enough information out there that they don't need that accountant anymore. They've got AI available at their fingertips in their phones, on their computers. They've even got the softwares giving them suggestions on what they need to do. So they feel that, again, it's a wasted cost. It's not an investment. It's very much for them, why would I pay someone to do it when I could do it myself, when I've got softwares that can support me? So why am I paying an accountant? They are getting constantly drummed with all the advertising by the software houses that they don't need an accountant, that they can do it themselves, the software will do it for them, but they are not utilising the years of experience that accountants have out there to ensure they're maximising their tax savings.
Adam, why aren't people using accountants?
Yeah, it might sound silly, but actually fear. I've come across a lot of people, business owners, actually who are fearful talking to professional services, be it accountants, solicitors. For some reason, talking numbers and talking bureaucracy and documents, it's scary for a lot of people because of the jargon used, and it's a whole other world that, you can get lost in, especially dealing with HMRC. So I think it's a fear factor largely, but, at Carthy Accountants, you'll get from sitting with us for 1 hour, the understanding that we're on your side. We are just normal people. We're fighting your corner. But I do actually think there's a fear factor holding people back from engaging.
I think there could also be a factor that they've had a bad experience with another accountant. I'll often have clients come in for the first time and they feel like they've been made to feel stupid by their previous accountant. Whereas, as Adam said, we don't do that. We're very much here. If they don't understand it in one way, we'll explain it in a different way. Because at the end of the day, it's their figures. They need to understand them for their business to succeed to the level they want it to succeed to.
I would say some of it is burying your head in the sand with people. We know for a fact we have had people who, I'm not disclosing I've sold that third property. No one's going to catch me. I'm not going to do this. They'll never catch me. It's only an extra few grand in the bank each year. Oh, they'll never catch me. I think part of that 60 to 70% is that. The problem is they're the sort of people as well that will go about bragging about it. They'll go back wanting to get a bigger mortgage because of it, and inevitably they will be the ones who get caught.